So why are you leaving so early? You like Oasis fans, are you? Hey guys. Right, you know how I'm always banging on about the smartphone being still the most underused piece of kit or camera that we have in our armoury as photographers. I kind of still believe that, and I hope this video isn't evidence to the contrary. I'm off to see a gig at the O2, seeing Gorillaz, and I want to kind of get a bit of video on the way for you guys, and also some stills, right, some street photography. But we're not allowed to take anything in with us. We're not allowed to take any cameras in with us or anything like that. We'll have one see-through bag we're allowed. So wish me luck.
2, 3, 4. Can't wait to wake up in the morning. I can't wait to feel the sunshine rays. I can't wait for a better day. We don't display death and mourning. Can't wait to feel the sun again. I can't wait to come in from the rain. I can't wait to rid the world of pain. Like a storm it came, without warning. Today the world is on its knees. The fire and smoke choke the trees, but I can feel a changing breeze. We cannot breathe, but we see the future's courting. I hope you're with me tomorrow. I don't care if you don't know my name. The time you're holding won't remain in tomorrow's day. There's no sorrow.
So we've just got to get our tickets, pick them up, and then we're going to get some food and then go in, I think.
I can't wait for a better day. We don't display death and
Are you here with me, love? Just looking out on the day of another dream, where you can't get what you want, but you can get me. To set out some sea life, 'cause you are my medicine when you're close to me, when you're close to me.
Girls, you're on YouTube here. Say something. So why are you leaving so early? You like Oasis fans, are you?
I said that. I said, why don't they just play a few Oasis songs?
There you go.
can't wait to feel the sun again. I can't wait to come in from the rain. I can't wait to rid the world of pain. like a storm it came without warning.
Signing out. That was last night, by the way. What was the video like? What's the quality like? I've kind of gone to town with editing this whole thing in the smartphone as well. So let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to the channel and please hit the like button on this video if you're kind of enjoying it. And yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys. Cheers. See you on the next one. Bye.
But we see the future's parting.